Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your TikTok account has a copyright strike. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok account. From there you want to navigate to TikTok Studio. From there, it's going to start scanning your account, your previous videos. And once it has checked everything, you're going to see either a good information or bad information. In this case, my account is good in standing with the TikTok community. But there's one more thing you can do to be extra safe that you never get this strike. Is that you go back, go to the top right under settings, and then enable this video sound copyright check. So automatically check it every time when there's a new post so that you are safe. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.